The rain has started in many areas of the country and it is a relief after a long dry spell. But downpours come with flooding, strong winds sometimes, and in many cases are harmful to the environment as they cause soil erosion when the water breaks the soil and takes away the sediment. Siltation is the pollution of water by clastic material, often dominated by silt or clay. During siltation, water tends to become dirty and as a result, you find mineral particles in the water. This can be destructive to the environment in many ways. It can be a danger to aquatic life and organisms and could even carry materials that harm the ecosystems. A group of students at St. Kizito High School in Namugongo have devised creative ways to use the silt. This drainage channel runs through the school carrying soil and mineral particles from the community. When it rains, some of the students, they seal the channel and after remove the material.
The silt from the outside societies, it comes through this trench and we manage to collect it here, and after that we collect it and we leave it for some time to dry, and after it drying like thoroughly very well, we get the sieve and we sieve it so well, we remove the bigger particles, we make sure that we get this fine touch of it.
These students have learned how to make building materials while protecting the environment. The soil is later mixed with cement before another process to turn it into pavers.
It is recommended if you don't have the electric machine of making pavers, use the single one, because with a paver get all the energy concentrates on one paver. But when you use our machine here, which makes 6 pavers at a go, not all pavers get equal compression. So that comes in. You see, after making a paver, you might see other pavers are weak and others are strong.
The school boasts of clean cooking and manufacturing briquettes from waste material.
It is adding on the skills that we are equipping to the young generation that we are grooming, since we are aiming at producing graduates with side skills.
The administrators are carrying out research on more eco-friendly living and experiments.
We get the water from the ground, it's groundwater. We store it, we contain it, then we use the solar pump, which is submersible. We put it in the groundwater and it pumps up to the tank, our water reservoir, which since the reservoir is high off the ground, provides a pressure that's enough to supply the whole garden.
When we train them in eco-friendly matters and projects, it will have a multiplier effect because each child is going to take that project to his home area, and then it teaches the community around the home.
One of the school directors, Dr. Frederick Kakembo, has done research on community education and training while highlighting the societal problems and the challenges that come with environmental degradation.
I've always been looking forward to engaging communities in development initiatives, particularly using local materials and local resources for development. Now, one of the problems we are seeing in our country is the environmental degradation. And we are doing everything possible from manufacture of alternative fuels like briquettes to ensuring that waste management is done in the municipalities, because municipalities, the waste in the municipalities is the chief factor causing floods.
For years, studies on waste management have examined how engineering can be included in the conversation on conservation as well as the use of environmental sciences to protect the ecosystems. Suhail Mugabe, NTV GREEN.